From the leaders in cleaning professional training, Betco U provides on-site, field, and on-demand options to learn where, when, and how best suits your needs. Join us for an on-site course at Betco headquarters to take a deep dive into specific categories. You'll receive a first-class education on why Betco and develop hands-on skills. Or let Betco trainers come to you. Based on your challenges or subjects of greatest interest, we'll develop a personalized curriculum, then teach it wherever needed, any time of day or night. Using the My Betco customer portal, you can even take web-based e-learning modules on any device for an in-depth look into cleaning and maintenance standards and processes. Not a narrated PowerPoint, our modern courses have tools for every learning style, including video and interactive exercises, and are translatable into world languages. On-demand training also includes a video library that is home to over 75 short how-to videos designed to make learning quick and easy. For more information, call 888-GO-BETCO, contact your local regional manager, or visit betco.com.